What's the meaning of Church of England? Church of England. Church of England.
Church of England. Church of England. The Church of England is the officially established Christian church in England, and forms part of the wider Anglican Communion. It was created during the English Reformation in the 16th century when Henry VIII broke away from the Roman Catholic Church and established himself as head of the Church of England. The Church of England is characterized by its commitment to traditional Christian beliefs and practices, while also allowing for a degree of theological diversity among its members. Today, it remains the largest religious denomination in England.